Hey guys, wanted to bring you another update of Project Dart. Don't pay much attention, it's filthy right now from driving it back and forth to work. The wrap is complete as in the previous video. The newest addition today are real carbon fiber pillars. They're a real carbon fiber that's clear coated, and then there's 3M tape on the back of them. But these are not vinyl stickers. They're actually real carbon fiber. Show you the driver's side here. Same as the passenger side. Our black pillars were getting pretty scratched up. We'd considered wrapping the pillars, but we found these on eBay, believe it or not, and picked them up for I think $110. In the next couple weeks, you'll see videos being uploaded of our custom aero kit that we're going to put on front splitters, side splitters, and rear diffuser on that we're making out of 1/4-inch ABS plastic. Also, in about a month's time, the wheels will be sent off to be powder coated in true Illusion copper. And then I think this thing will be ready to go for this show season. In the next, sometime this summer, we are going to add the MPX carbon fiber duckbill spoiler on the back, just to kind of further tie in the carbon fiber theme that we have going down the car now. But thank you. If you like what you see on this car, please subscribe to our channel and continue to like the videos. Thank you.